The giant began demanding gold and food from the villagers, and if anyone refused, he would destroy their fields and damage their homes. Fear gripped the villagers. Once upon a time, in a small mountain village, there lived a girl named Alia. She was known throughout the village for her bravery and kindness. Alia helped others, especially her parents, who were farmers. The village was a beautiful place, surrounded by lush green hills, flowing streams, and fields full of crops. But beneath all this beauty, the villagers carried a deep fear. Close to the village was a dense, mysterious forest. It was said that a mighty giant lived in that forest, who was cruel and dangerous. Many frightening stories were told about this giant, but no one dared to discover the truth behind those tales. One day, strange things started happening in the village. The crops were being destroyed overnight, livestock disappeared, and at night the villagers could hear the distant roars of the giant. The village elders concluded that the giant had emerged from his hiding place and was now threatening them. The giant began demanding gold and food from the villagers, and if anyone refused, he would destroy their fields and damage their homes. Fear gripped the villagers. Alia, who always faced challenges with courage, said to her parents and the villagers, "How long we will live in fear? We must do something." Everyone was stunned. One of the elders spoke, "But child, how can we fight the giant? He is too powerful." Alia thought for a moment and then said, "I will go to the enchanted forest and seek the help of the magical fairy who is said to live there. Maybe she can help us." The villagers were shocked and some were frightened. They thought of entering the dark forest made everyone uneasy. But Alia had made up her mind. The next morning, with her mother's prayers and her father's encouragement, she set off toward the forest. The path through the forest was difficult and eerie. Alia pushed through the dense trees, thick bushes, and thorny vines. Strange sounds echoed around her, but she kept her courage and moved forward. Hours passed, and soon the sunlight barely flickered through the towering trees. After a long and exhausting journey, Alia finally spotted an old stone path which led to a bright cave. Alia felt hope rising in her heart, thinking this might be the place where the magical fairy lived. She gathered her courage and entered the cave. Inside the cave, a soft glowing light filled the space, and there sat the most beautiful fairy Alia had ever seen. The fairy was dressed in a shimmering red gown with golden hair and sparkling eyes. Alia stood in awe of her beauty. The fairy smiled and said, "Alia, I have been waiting for you. I know your village is in great danger." Alia, still amazed, said, "You know? must help us." The fairy nodded and said, "Because of your bravery and kind heart, I am willing to give you a magical gift. This is a magic wand. When you wave it before the giant, he will listen to your every word. But remember, this wand will only work if you used it for truth and justice." Alia gratefully took the wand and promised to use it for the right reasons. The next day, Alia returned to the village, ready to fight the giant. The giant, who was enormous and terrifying, was standing in the center of the village, intimidating the people. Alia stepped forward, holding her magic wand with determination. "Stop, giant!" Alia called out boldly. "I want to talk to you." The giant turned his angry eyes toward her and bellowed, "Who are you to dare to speak to me?" Alia waved the wand and a bright light surrounded the giant. His expression softened immediately, and in a quiet voice, he said, "Forgive me. I will do whatever you say." Alia said firmly, "If you want our forgiveness, leave this place forever and never harm anyone again." The giant bowed his head and said, "I will leave and never return." With the giant gone, the village burst into celebration. The villagers praised Alia for her bravery and hailed her as their hero. Alia had fulfilled the fairy's promise and continued to live with honor, always choosing the path of justice and kindness. Moral of the story: this story teaches us that courage, truth, and kindness will always prevail, no matter how great the challenges may be. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more interesting videos.